Yes, we are live. Yeah, Cha-ching, Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses today. Also raining. Today, also my birthday, by the way. But I'm doing these videos for you. And for me, I'm enjoying myself every day. New footwork every day. Are you ready? First, see for yourself. Slide. One. This is the move. Let's go. Yeah, this is the move. Let's do it together, remember, no excuses. Yeah, let's do it together in the rain, on the street. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. We can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We step a big step and then we slide with the right. Now with the right. We do a big step and then we slide with the left. Now again with the left. Step big and slide. We step and slide. We step, big step, and then slide with the toes. Yeah. Step and slide. This is the move. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, last time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And it can also be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter. You can start with the left or with the right. Yeah, that's the move. Yes, this is the move. You see the rain, but we don't care, right? Because no excuses. By the way, these are universal moves, so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, rumba, samba. And you know what? You still here? Let's do another practice, right? Face to face, simple move. Slide one. Are you ready? Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Yeah. But practicing, of course. Let's go. Slide. Let's go. With the left. Step and slide. Step and slide. Step and slide. Step and slide. Now with the count. Yes, with the count. Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5, 1. Now we can open the hands while we do the slide, of course. Let's go. We open. 1, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Yes, we can do these movements as well. Yeah. Let's try it. 1, 5, 1. Yeah, this is the move. Yeah, this is the move. This is the groove. Remember, no excuses. So if you want to really get better and you want to practice that move with me in the studio, no rain, yeah, get this move into your bones. Check the link above, to the sides below. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move. Yes, this move. Slide. 1. That's the name. And remember, these are universal moves. Universal meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, bachata, kizomba, samba, semba. By the way, salsa on 1 and on 2. Yeah, because you can start with the right or with the left, doesn't matter. You can also do it with the men's step and the women's step. For the same reason, you can start with the right and with the left. Amazing or not amazing? I think amazing, but I'm not that objective maybe. Either way, do it today. Why today? Why today? Amazing question. Second question is why not? But tomorrow you have a new footwork, so make sure to do this footwork today so you can do it the footwork of tomorrow as well. So let's meet tomorrow for the new footwork. Yeah, see you tomorrow then.